Bandapadhyay
and Anisha Dilwaria welcome you
to the New Era News.
Let's see the headline first.
On 21st April, boarders reported to campus with new excitement and joy of learning from a short summer break. Class 10th and 12th reported to campus after XCR, looking forward for the marvelous and competitive board year. Orientation was conducted for parents to give an overview about their academic year. From 23rd April to 25th April, an orientation was conducted for new students and parents of grade 1 to 9.
On 27th of April, an English enhancement workshop was conducted for the New Era staff. There were several activities with lots of fun conducted for the New Era students on 20th of April. The most awaited sports event of New Era, La Liga, began with full of spirits on 29th of April. Let's see the news in detail.
On 21st April, boarders reported to campus with new excitement and joy of learning after a short summer break. There were mix of reaction, teary eyes and smiley faces were common among them all. With the motive of learning and attachment to their friends, each of them stepped into their second home, the New Era family. On 22nd April, classes 10th and 12th reported to campus after their XCR, looking forward for the marvelous and competitive board year. An orientation was conducted for parents as well as students to give an overview about their academic year. The head of administration, Ms. Suniti, the panel member, Ms. Parwane, the coordinators of senior secondary and secondary, Mr. Vivek and Mr. Shinde, briefed about the overall planning of their board year. From 23rd to 25th April, an orientation was conducted for new students as well as parents of grade 1 to 9. The New Era system was introduced to them, and also this was conducted to know each other better. Now let's see some of the glimpses of all these events. Conducted on 20th of April for the students of New Era. The students of primary enjoyed the camel and horse ride at our beloved Kandagram. Now let's see some of the glimpses of all these events.
My name is Arush, so I am a new child of New Era High School. New Era High School has organized one short trip to Nagewari. We went there and we enjoyed so much, and we saw various type of birds, trees, and most exciting was the dam, and we enjoyed so much there. Thank you.
from class 6. We have been 3 weeks over here. We had a small trip to the Mahabaleshwar Biodiversity Park. We saw many species of trees. We learned about them. We saw many types of butterfly. We saw the steps of lion, deer, tiger, and we also climbed the tree which had small house of the wood, and we had so fun over there.
Hello every viewers, I'm Yuk Khanna from 8C. Today I'm going to speak about the trip to Biodiversity Park. We full 8th standard went to Biodiversity Park and we enjoyed it. Like type of a nature walk it was, forest, and we saw all the steps of leopards, deers, and all the species of plants, spices, these all things.
Similarly, an outreach program, Be an Astronomer, was conducted for class 9 and 10 on 20th of April and 29th of April, led by the team Adventure from Mumbai. Let us hear from our reporter Devanshi Solanki.
Good morning, New Era. Today, on 28th April 2024, New Era has organized an indoor outreach program for the aspiring astronomers of class 9th and 10th, led by Team Adventure. The title of the workshop is To Be an Astronomer for a Day. Today, we have the resource person from Team Adventure, Mr. Hussain. So let us inquire from him. Mr. Hussain, can you give us brief introduction about the program?
Thank you so much. I thank the management and the principal ma'am who has given us an opportunity to come and conduct program for your institute. I'm sure everybody is enjoying it out over here. Our program is based on 3 parts. The first part where we are going to have an orientation where the presentation in interactive form of trivia will be done for your classmates. Second part is where you see one of the batches sitting out over here will be doing in rocket making and launching activity. Okay, so we'll be having a competition for the highest flying rocket and the longest distance going to cover. And the third module, what we are going to do is we are going to design a satellite. Designing will be based on Mangalyaan, and we'll have an last part. After the 3 activities are done, we'll be having reflection, which is a very important part. I would love to hear from each and every one of you. What did you learn? And did you use your skill to put to a test, and did you win it today? So let us have an enjoyable day out over here. And I wish all the best to all of you fellow members. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Hussain, for encouraging the curious minds of New Era and giving them an idea of bright future in the field of astronomy. Today, I, Devanshi Solanki, with camera person Gayatri Sangh, take your leave for now.
Let's watch some snapshots.
Hello friends, my name is Hunar Panjwani and I am from New Era High School. It's not been even a month I am here and I have experienced so many activities, smiling and dancing. So today I am going to share about my first Sunday experience where we had so much fun on one day outreach program conducted by the Team Adventure from Mumbai. So on that day we had so much fun. The title of the program was Be an Astronomer. So on that day we made satellites, we launched rockets, and the satellites were just made up of scissor, paper and glue. So we had memorable day that we made satellites, launched rockets, and at the end we did the sun gazing from just our eyes, and we used a telescope and we applied filter on that, and we saw the small black spots on the sun. So after that we got the information about the Big Bang theory and mission to Mars. So at the end of this program we just enjoyed and made so many memories, and we loved the day. And also I would like to thank our school to organize this program, and thank you so much.
Hello friends, and today I'm going to talk about a very nice experiment and experience I had in New Era High School. I am actually new in this school, even Geet is new in this school. I will start with the sonology. In the sonology workshop, what happened was that we had to see through the telescope, and we could see it with our bare eyes. We had to see it on the paper, and the experience was very fun. Sir Robin was explaining us everything about the telescope and how the scientists made it. It was very interesting, and I was very excited for the experience. it was a lot of fun. And what I learned by it was how the sun looked like. It was very bright, its shape, its figure, and all like the gas particles on it. So Robin was explaining it very well, and we saw it on the paper. We even saw the clouds going through and the shadows of it.
A small visit on Mobile Planetarium was organized for classes 1 to 9 on the campus. They enjoyed watching celestial bodies and by knowing about them. Let's watch
Some snapshots.
musical night was arranged for the students of India. Entire amphitheatre was surrounded by the rhythmic songs of Mr. Sagar.
Hello friends, my name is Dishita Tama and I am New Era High School. I did so much activities, but the activity I liked the most was musical night. In the musical night, one sir came whose name is Mr. Sagar. He did so much fun. We sang a lot of songs and the entire amphitheatre was filled with children and
Thank you.
So, the most awaited sporty event of New Era,
The La Liga, began by showcasing the thundering capabilities of students in the field of football ground and futsal turf on 29th April.
Thank you so much for watching New Era News.
We'll meet again in yet another interesting episode of New Era News.
Till then, Shabakir.
And take a very good care of yourself.